Look at this hot mess, y'all. Look at my cabinets. Let me do this for y'all. We close it up. Oh, it's all nice and neat. Oh, isn't that nice? What's that? We gotta put that down. It's so nice and neat. Isn't it nice and neat? Then you look under here and look what you got.
Hot
Hot mess
ass
city.
mess. Hot ass
Let's get
mess.
started.
Hello, cleaning buddies. I know it's been a minute. I was supposed to come out with holiday cleaning ideas and all kind of stuff. Well, here is my late in the game. It is January 27th, 2022. As I'm editing this, I did this a few weeks ago because I've been out of town. I went to Texas to see my mother for her 75th birthday. Oh my goodness, people. I've been sick. My husband's been sick. We haven't had COVID, knock on wood. But this has been long overdue. I had videos that I had to delete because they were old now. I have been trying to get organized and declutter my home and thoroughly clean my home, people. But I have been off since this year has started. I don't know about you guys, but I know this is late, but enjoy. This is I'm gonna start decluttering and organizing all of my cabinets and getting my home organized, period. Pantry, in my kitchen, my drawers, under my cabinets in there. I mean, everything needs to get in order, but I'm back, people. I'm back. So enjoy this cleaning and decluttering and organizing. I am a product junkie, a hair product junkie, and also a cleaning product junkie, people. So I did not realize I had this much stuff until I had to actually bring it all out. And this was just under my sink right here. And the left side is my husband's and the right side is mine. But yeah, enjoy. Hello again. If you're new here on Clean, Clear, Calm Home, welcome. Consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. And remember to hit that like. And again, you can ring my bell. Please ring that bell so you'll know when I post new uploads. Again, if you're new here, I'm Cleaning Fee. And on this channel, I do cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, DIYs, crafts. I'm even thinking about doing a little cooking, more cooking, or should I say more cooking? No, I should say cooking, period, because I haven't started it, but I have started recording me cooking. Okay, people? So, look out for that. I'm not going to say when because I am not consistent. You people know this. You know this already. I'm not consistent, but I'm trying to get back on my game. I have been off since this year has started, people. Again, if you do like content like this, consider subscribing. And again, welcome to Clean, Clear, Calm Home. Enjoy the music. Hey people, I was just seeing if you had hit that like, if you subscribed, and also if you rang my bell. I'm waiting. You know what? It's free, y'all. Did I tell you it was free? It's free. Free. I'm telling you. You might as well call this cleaning free because it's free. I'm getting you all this motivation. Look, I'm motivating myself because it's motivating me to get some other things decluttered and organized in my home. Again, remember to hit that like, ring that bell, y'all, and subscribe to Clean, Clear, Calm Home. Alrighty, people. Enjoy. Ooh, y'all, forgive my manners. I hope everyone had a happy new year. I had a happy new year, but I just been off. Please comment if anybody else has been off. Because, Lord, I ain't been on any of my motivational channels to get me motivated or anything, really. Lord, y'all, life is something else. And coming into 2022, it already rushed us out of 2021. I told you after October. The year was done, and then I'm like, where'd it go? I'm lost. I'm confused right now, people. Tell me if any of you are lost and confused. I'm trying to get it in order. I'm slowly but surely getting it there. But comment below if you guys are in like the same kind of little rut or just confusion. All right. Oh, again, happy holidays. If I did not say that, it's long overdue. Remember, I'm late for y'all. And Happy New Year. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, people. When I was going under my husband's sink, I couldn't believe how many bottles of alcohol and different strengths, 50%, 70%, 90%, 91%. I mean, because at first you couldn't find it. So whenever I could find it, we would grab them. Me and my husband would just grab them. My mother-in-law, we would grab them. I had green, I had blue. I had to put some in the other bottles because it was just too many at different levels. It was ridiculous. And many bottles of peroxide also, because it was part of the essentials of when this pandemic hit. And goodness gracious, y'all, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna get it together or what? I've had my booster and all that, and my little one has finally had her shot. I'm taking her Saturday to get her second shot. So, we're getting it there. We're getting it there slowly but surely, people. But, thank you, Lord. I have not had COVID, and hopefully not. I don't even want this Omicron, even though it's the weaker of all these other variants. Who cares? I don't want it. I had to drink some Rebuke tea when I did get sick because that was coming back from different climates. My body could not acclimate quick enough, so I had to make some rebuke you tea. I think I will put that on here. That might be on my TikTok stories or on my TikTok page. But you will see, people. Yes, I do have a TikTok page. It is called Funny51 Fifi. If I can remember, I will probably put the link down below, or I might not. I don't know. I might remember, I might not. That was my dog's toothpaste. We haven't brushed Fat Daddy's teeth in I don't know how long because we take him to go get groomed. Alrighty, people, enjoy the music.
Still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose
And if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't know what it's gonna be. We are all gonna see, huh? But thanks again for watching. Again, if you're new here, welcome to Clean, Clear, Calm Home. Thank you for stopping by. And stay tuned again for my next video. Alrighty, you guys. Stay safe, sane, and prayed up. This is Clean and Fee. Bye.